Hey guys, this is me Aparna. Welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. I am here today to do a general 6-month reading for the sign of Sagittarius. Um, Please remember that not all the messages will resonate with all the Sagittarians out there, and these are advance messages for the next 6 months starting from July to December. So it's quite possible that you will not resonate with it right now. What you can do is you can come back every month to check out these readings, and come back in the beginning and the end of the month so that you will know what you are expecting for that month, and you can probably come back at the end of the month of each month to see if it resonates with you. Okay, so these are just going to be energies. I'm going to pull out two cards for each month, and we'll know what are the energies surrounding those months for you. And additionally, apart from that, I'm always going to do those monthly reads for you, so you can always take those messages as well and corroborate it with your situation, okay, and see if it resonates with you. So let's see what are the messages. Also, I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the likes and the shares and the comments. I truly appreciate it. And if you've not yet liked, shared, comment or subscribed, I would suggest that you could always look at my previous videos. I put up playlists of all the months and with all the readings separately, love and general, and you can see if those resonate with you, or if you like the way I do my readings. You can always subscribe to my channel once you've gone through it. But please do, because it helps me grow as a reader, and it's always a motivation when you hear people say that this resonated with you or that video resonated with you. It always makes me happy. So yeah, let's see what are the messages coming in for the sign of Sagittarius for the next 6 months. Okay, July Sagittarius is Temperance and Empress. August is Two of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. September is the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. October is the Tower and the Four of Swords. Trying to adjust my camera. Okay. November is Eight of Swords and the Judgment. December is Justice and Four of Pentacles. Overall energy is Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, what's coming up for you in July is Temperance and the Empress energy. Both major arcanas. I feel something very major is happening for you, major changes happening for you in the month of July, major transformations happening. Temperance is about being having that balance of energies. I think probably you in the past could have gone overboard with something, and it could be anything. It could be with your lifestyle choices, or with your energies. Maybe you are overgiving, oversharing in some situations. So this is you being in balance with your energies. You're not going overboard with anything. At the same time, you're not holding back a lot. You're just being in balance. Okay, you're trying to temper yourself where it's necessary, and you're holding back where it's necessary, but at the same time you are giving where it's necessary. Okay, but at the same time you've got the Empress card, which is very powerful. She is very nurturing. The Empress is very nurturing, loving. Also a card of fertility. So could be many of y'all, or some of y'all could be expecting a baby in the month of July. Okay, but yeah, I think that it could also be a birth of new ideas, new plans. You're planning something, you are trying to create something. Okay, so that's for you for July. August is the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, you have choices in August. you have to make a choice, and it's kind of creating you are trying to juggle between two things, and you're trying to decide or choose one. um, but whatever you choose, I see you being in the Nine of Pentacles kind of an energy, which is close to being successful. You are getting there, you're getting to that place of lot of abundance of money. So I think money wise you are good, you are expecting, and you are sure that you're going to achieve those targets or whatever goals that you have with regards to your money, stability, finance. But yeah, I see that you have clear two choices. Okay, you're trying to see probably which one will get you to the Nine of Pentacles. September for you is about the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. So Knight of Swords is about clear communication, sudden communication. You're rushing towards something with a message. Okay, you want to act fast, you want to act quickly. Maybe you have an idea, you have or maybe you are rushing towards somebody with an idea or communication. Okay, and whatever that rushing towards is, it's a very, I mean, you feel very passionate about it. You really want to, because Knight of Wands is also about wanting to and you have two knights here, so that's also something which is very I mean, it's never happened before in any of the previous readings. So yeah, that's a good sign. I think Knight of Swords, Knight of Passion. Not only are you eager to communicate, you are eager to communicate passionately. Okay, there's a lot of passion here. So yeah, I feel you feel very passionate about something, and you're rushing towards that. Either a person, either a project. See how it will resonate with you in the month of September. Come back and see this reading again. But yeah, I think you are headed towards something very passionately, very quickly, with clear communication. October, you have the Tower and the Four of Swords. So the Tower is again something very sudden that's happened to you, a shift of energy, a shift of perspective, sudden information maybe, but whatever it is, I think it's kind of shook you up a bit, because you are in the Four of Swords energy after that, which is you resting and healing from something. Okay, so I think there is some kind of an unexpected event that happens in the month of October for you, which is causing you to kind of go in your shell a little bit, and heal from whatever, heal or rest from whatever has happened. Because the Tower is also about crumbling, the Tower is always crumbling. So probably it's about something that's changed for you in a big way, which is causing you to kind of withdraw and heal for a while. Okay, this is a person staying, sleeping, resting, healing, self-care, self-protection, that kind of a thing. So yeah, October is going to be a little, I think, a little bit taxing for you maybe in some ways. November is the Eight of Swords and the Judgment. So again, like, I feel you have come out of that Four of Swords, and you're the Eight of Swords here, but there is that progression, right? But whatever, I feel that you still feel a bit stuck with something. Okay, maybe you feel that there is no movement ahead. You feel like you're not sure about how to go ahead with this, and you're seeking divine guidance with regards to this, with regards to you're making a choice with regards to what you want to do. Either you want to end things, or you want to fight for things and continue with it, and you're asking the universe to kind of make that decision for you. Okay, help you with that decision. Okay, so yeah, I think, and again, Judgment is a major arcana, so it's a very big transformation again that I see. Maybe something is coming to an end here for you, It could be that you are putting an end to a cycle where you feel stuck all the time. Okay, maybe there's some situation in your life that's making you feel stuck, and you're putting an end to that feeling. Okay, that end to that situation, end to that mentality maybe. December is the Justice and the Four of Pentacles. So, I feel that you like I said, the Judgment is about getting that, putting an end to something, but you're also getting justice with regards to some situation in your life. Maybe you felt that something was not fair to you. It could be a legal thing also, which is going in your favor. But I feel that you are getting karma for some situation here. Could be also dealing with a Libra, and you are being a bit reserved about it, though. You are not, despite the fact that you've got justice of some kind here, you're still held back with when it comes to your feelings, your emotions, even your money. Probably you're saving up on something, you don't want to spend too much, you're not giving too much. Okay, so it could be because of this justice situation that's come about in December for you. But December is good. I think it's about stability also, because it's about weighing the scales right here, and you will get justice if it's in your favor. If you've done good, you will get good. If you've done bad, you will get the karma accordingly. Okay, so whatever it is, you're seeking justice and you're getting justice in the month of December. The overall energy for you is the Two of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. So Two of Cups is about love, deep love. Maybe you feel something very deeply for a person or for a situation. You want to get to know them really well, you want to be in a connection with them, and I see a start of something for you in the next 6 months. Okay, you've got the Page of Pentacles, you're heading towards a stable relationship maybe. For the next 6 months, I see you being stable and starting off on a good positive foot, with a lot of stable offer and messages of stability and love towards a particular person. So Sagittarius, I see this coming up for you for the next 6 months. Like I said, please do keep coming back every month, beginning and the end of the month, to see how this resonates with you, because it's not going to make sense to you otherwise. So remember to come back and check these out, and I hope this resonates with you, and I'll come back with another reading real soon. Please do give me a like, share and subscribe for this one, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.